All right, you guys, we're gonna go and do this in real time. You're gonna want to spray those little openings I was telling you about there. I think that's where a lot of the brake dust is accumulating and building up. You can see all that stuff coming off. Look at that. That's insane. And again, all this stuff is metallic and it's gonna be abrasive. And things can make noise and friction, heat, noise, all that nasty shit that we don't want. So then be liberal, keep it away from the side of the brake caliper. Once it dries,